Today we're checking out an oddity at the unlisted Tesla destination chargers in Los Gatos, California. All your likes, shares, and subscribes are totally appreciated, so please continue to roll in that support. How is it possible to charge what looks like a volcanic gray metallic 2020 Porsche Taycan and a gray 2019 Toyota Prius Business Edition with Tesla's proprietary destination charging unit? Well, you remove the Tesla cable and replace it with a J1772 extension cable. That's right, this Tesla and all Teslas actually have to use the J1772 adapter to charge using the destination chargers here. Total win for EV equality. Remember, get a professional electrician to do this or you may shock and kill yourself.
See you at our next super destination.